Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be going over my tyres on my car, and yeah, as you can see I have four different tyres. I don't recommend doing that. I only did it because my front two tyres went out, and the guy I went to, he was a local guy. He didn't have much tyres in the size that I need, which was 17, which is a 225, 45, 17. So I had to mix and match everything, and the back two tyres were already mixed and matched from before. So yeah, now we've got four separate wheels that are tyres, I mean, so it's a bit fucked. But yeah, if you do have to mix and match, then try get both the front the same, both the back the same, but they can be completely opposite from each other from front and back. That's what I mean. But yeah, try get the front pair the same and the back pair the same. If the left pair is not the same, that's fine. If the right pair is not the same, that's fine. But yeah, it's better to have all four the same, but I don't have the option yet, so I'm gonna wait till all the tires were out, and I'm gonna choose the one I like the best. Is I quite like the Pirellis, so I'll either go for Pirelli or the Hancocks, because these are good as well. That's my two choices that I like the most. The Continentals, it's alright. Okay, so the Pirelli is the most expensive, then it's the Bridgestone, then it's the Continental, and then it's the Hankook. But out of all of them, Pirelli is the best, second is the Hankook, and then I'm not sure about the Bridgestone and Conti, which one's better. Probably the Continental. Right, so let me go ahead and tell you about the first tyre. So this is a Bridgestone tyre. It's called the Turanza Drive Guard. So it's a summer tyre. It's good for braking, turning, wet grip. It's fuel economy as well. It's good for that. It's got run flat tyre on it. So my last tyre, it was a Pirelli at the front. That has a run flat as well. So this one has a run flat. So I did about 300-mile journey in one day, and it just died. Like it blew out, but it wasn't a harsh blowout. I could drive on it for quite a miles. So I managed to get home, and then I couldn't find the puncture. Like, where the hell was the puncture? There's no physical signs anyway. And then when I took off the tyre, the next day when I went to get it sorted out, we took off the alloy and tyre, and the cut was actually on the inside wheel, which is a bit weird, and the guy said it might be due to tracking or something, but who knows. I guess so this is a good tire for all around, I guess. So this is what it is. Okay, optimized tread pattern, not much there. Nanotechnology, so it's got a nanotechnology to help it get rid of more water. It's got good tread as well. Okay, noise levels are good. 225 is on the next page, so it'll be a W rating. So W rating tire can do 168 miles per gallon. No, 168 miles per hour, not gallon. Alright, so this is the next tire. This is the Hankook Ventus V12 Evo 2. I highly recommend this one. It's like a medium price point. It's really good for everything, apart from fuel economy, as you can see. So yeah, but I really do like this tire. It's very comfortable. But I'll tell you one bad thing about having four different tires. The comfort is very poor. It's very bumpy now, the ride. I hate it. As soon as I change the front two tires, it's awful. I feel every bump of the road, everything. It's just not good. But my fuel economy has gone up. I'm not sure how, but somehow it has. The traction's a bit better as well, from having four different tires, but I'm guessing that's just because more tread, because I bought them brand new, so 8mm of tread on them. So yeah, okay, so this is the Ventus V12 Evo 2. Let's have a look here. So this is good for dry and wet. Noise levels are okay, comfort is good, wear levels are bad on it, so these will wear out quite quickly. Eco is also bad, so it won't be very fuel efficient. That is why I'm saying the Pirelli is the best, because that's all around in my opinion. Okay, let's see what the thing is. So it's got alignment indicator, so it shows you which way to align it. Okay, and it's got aqua jets inside. Aqua jet is just the fancy name of having grooves inside. So these massive long ones here, if you can have a look. So these big lines here, so you don't aquaplane. Aquaplane is where you just float on water, you got no traction, you got no control. So that will avoid that as best as you can. But if you do start wearing that down, that will be less effective, so be aware of that. Okay, it's got high silica compound to help it more with traction and rolling resistance. So lower rolling resistance is what gives you better gives you better fuel economy. Okay, better dry wet handling, enhanced sidiness default. I could probably vouch for that because these ones haven't blown out yet, and that's been on my car for about 15,000 miles, so that's really good. So I'll vouch for that. Better steering and handling response, and because these are on my back tires, they still got tread left, which is mad. But the front tires, they wear out very quickly because it is a front wheel drive. So yeah. Okay, let's have a look. 225, 45 or 17, this one here. So see, 225, 45, this one. Okay, wet grip is A, so it's got best rating for wet grip. Rolling noise, blah blah blah. Load index, okay, Y. So this one can do higher than 168 miles an hour. But obviously you're not going to do 168 miles an hour, are you guys? Okay, so that's a good tire as well. This is my all-round best one. This, if I could, so when I lose another tire, I'm just going to buy these separate. These are the best tires for me, my car, I reckon, for all-round performance, fuel, long-lasting, comfort, noise, everything. It's just amazing. Wet, dry, and they got built-in run flat tire, so you will, like, it saved my life last time because I was on the motorway when it happened. It just went, and my steering went. My steering was proper bad, I couldn't turn. It's proper shit. So yeah, this saved my life probably, because otherwise, if it wasn't a run flat, it would have just burst, and I would have lost control of the car at 70 miles an hour. But yeah, it's very odd though how it happened. I guess it was just time to go. But yeah, okay, let's have a look here. It's a really nice tire. I like what they've done to it. Okay, let's have a look. So this is a summer tire as well, sports tire. Okay, it's got 10 out of 10 dry performance, 10 out of 10 wet performance, so you can't beat that already. Sports performance 8 out of 10, which is not good. That's really good actually, because you'll get more power down. Comfort 7 is very good as well. I can vouch for all this. Mileage is good as well, so this is the all-round best tire, I reckon. Okay, customized inner tread design for wet. Okay, rolling resistance, yeah, low noise emission. And these are the reviews for it. So yeah, if you can buy these, they're quite expensive, but they're worth it. So I highly recommend these. Alright, let's go to the last tire that I have on my car. Okay, so this is the Conti Sport Contact 2. So maximum performance summer tire with enhanced traction, handling and braking. Okay, so these are quite expensive, but if I had a choice, I wouldn't have got this, but I didn't really have a choice. So yeah, they're decent, but for the price you can get better. Okay, so load index is 91, W rating, so 168 miles an hour you can go. Treadwear, traction, so it's got good traction, so you won't spin out and stuff. Let's have a look here. There's not much here. Max inflation is 51, so 17-inch, whatever you want to call it, or 17 tires. I think the PSIs for them is 32 to 33 PSI. so keep it at that level so it wears evenly and you get better fuel economy as well. So yeah, let's have a look around here. Okay, so mileage 6 out of 10. There you go, the answers speak for themselves. This is their own website, guys. 6 out of 10 on mileage, so it's not good, not good at all. It's gonna wear out very quickly. Fuel efficiency very poor as well, just above half. Handling is very good, but traction is good, quiet ride's good. So with this, with the Pirelli, you gain all this for a tiny bit more of the price. You might as well get the Pirelli, but as I said, I didn't have the choice, so otherwise I would have. So yeah, I was on the last legs of I need to get it fixed because I need to move the car. So yeah, not bad. So they're all my tires. If you have any recommended tires, let me know. I'll go check them out as well, because you can always get better tires, always. And if you know any good suppliers that do cheap tires, good quality tires but cheap, let me know as well. And thank you guys for watching. Let me know what tires you're running, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.